What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful DBX707 right here in China Grey. Now it's not every day you get to see an SUV like this gorgeous in this beautiful grey color. Now let's take a walk around to show you guys how amazing this car looks and what are the physical options that are specced up with this gorgeous car that we have right in front of us. Now before that, let us first start off with the front lights that we have right here. So check out how the beautiful dark finish on the inner part of the lights are actually designed like. You got some bright finishes here and also on the inside part right there. Now with the lights turned on, you can actually see the beautiful shine that this car can actually deliver. That's how amazing the front lights actually look. Now the bottom here, you have your amazing DRLs that pop up right here if the car is turned on. But in today's video, we will do that later on. We've got some opening right here for air to flow through on this side also as well. You have a bottom gloss black lower package. As you can see, you get this beautiful front lip in this blacked out finish that goes across. You got this dark finish grille for the DBX707, as you can see with all these lines that we have right here. Amazing. Number plate goes right there. You got your 360 camera popped up right here in the center, as you can see, beautifully hidden. Amazing bottom piece, and you get your sensor located on this side also as well. So it's amazing how they designed this car to make it look as good as they can. You have your Aston Martin wing badge that we have right there. Amazing, done by a jewelry maker all the way in the UK. Beautiful. Your top hood, you have some opening right here for the cooling purposes of the engine. So blacked out finish on this side, blacked out finish on that side. Now love the shapes of this. You have this opening right here. You got some lines that pops up right here, including on the side right here. Now just check out how gorgeous this car looks, man. From the side, see the shape of the grille, how it's angled up, and super aggressive looking, beautiful looking car. Now let's take a look at the wheels. Amazing 23-inch wheels that we have right here, forged wheels in this textured like finish. I love the finishing of this. You got to be here to feel it and see it in person. You got your beautiful yellow brake calipers, Aston Martin wording right on it, and the beautiful part about this car is that it comes in standard for the carbon ceramic disc brakes, and that's what's amazing, dude. You got to be here to see it in person. Love the Aston Martin badging right here in the center also as well. Beautiful. P0 tires, tire size 285/35R23, as you can see. Now for the side right here, you do get it in the upper gloss black package. Now you do get this beautiful black line right here. Get some opening right here as well, super aggressive and nice. Side mirrors also are in this gloss black finish as well. Now the bottom piece right here in the lower body package, fully blacked out finish. Amazing layout also as well. Love the shape at the side right here, aggressive looking indeed. You get this whole black gloss black finish that goes across. Amazing layout for the whole car like this, man, dude. I love it. So let's open up the doors and take a look at the interior. The interior of this is called a Phantom Grey. It does look like black, but unfortunately, nope. This is called Phantom Grey for the interior with some electron yellow stitching. Amazing. You get some titanium finish on the interior part right here. So that's really amazing, man, dude. You got to be here to see this, man, dude. It's actually shiny right now. It's not like carbon fiber, but definitely a much more expensive option. You got your Bowers & Wilkins speakers on this side right here. You got this beautiful handle in this kind of shape. Window adjustments up and down. Handle to open up the doors on this side. Electron yellow stitching all over the place. Even the bottom right here as well. Speaker goes right there. Compartment storage down here. Beautiful layout. Love the plates right here, hand built in Great Britain. Amazing layout. Yellow stitching, contrast stitching all over the place. Sport seats is what you guys are getting for a car like this. Love the center finish with all the 3 lines and the 3 lines at the bottom. Beautiful indeed. Electron yellow stitching. Love the Bowers & Wilkins speaker that we have right there in the center. Amazing layout, man, dude. Titanium, once again. Amazing texture, man, dude. I love it. So take a look at the center. You got your start button right here, your gear selectors and whatnot, cup holders on this side, and of course underneath here you have your other storage space for you to keep plenty of other stuff right here. So amazing layout indeed. Love the bright finishing that's happening on this side, all these metal finishes here and there, so it makes it look even more stunning. You got this compartment storage down here to keep some stuff. Amazing indeed. Let's take a look at the rear doors. Pop this up. Of course, these cars are frameless doors. As you can see, I open up the doors and all you see is this, but actually there's a window right there. Get what I mean? The glass, so it's amazing. So you have the Door handles right here, handle to hold to close the door as well. Bowers and Wilkins speaker. You got some beautiful titanium finish on the bottom piece right here. Electron yellow stitching with some beautiful phantom grey leather that is happening all over the place. Take a look at the back seats. Fantastic layout. Electron yellow stitching. Got some yellow stitching happening all over the place. Grey seat belts. Indeed, for the phantom grey interior. Love the layout. Take a look at the center. What you guys are looking at, beautiful layout. Glass roof, fabric lining, no, sorry, Alcantara suede finish lining for the top. Amazing indeed. Beautiful rear. For the wheels, you have it in 325/30R23. So beautiful carbon ceramic disc brakes for the rear as well. You got some yellow calipers right there, and Pirelli car tires for this. So beautiful touch. For the rear, let's take a look at how aggressive this car looks. Now the car is on a trickle charger, therefore it's having the battery powered up because this car is in the showroom. So we have the smoke tail lights that we have right here. You have an option to go for these lights in red if you wish to, but the China grey does look really good with the smoke tail lights. I love it. Now you get your bright finish, a Aston Martin badge, Aston Martin wording in this bright finish as well. You have your beautiful carbon, not really carbon fiber, but this winglet design is in the body color also as well, so it's amazing how the air flows through at the bottom right here, comes out through here. Love the top glass roof that's happening with the railing in black as well. Amazing layout. Beautiful, beautiful finish. So let's take a look at the bottom rear diffuser. You have these two aggressive looking sides for your exhaust tailpipes, two on the left, two on the right. You got this beautiful gloss black finish on the rear, which is the lower package for the car. Love the Aston Martin DBX707 with this double sort of like extended rear diffuser to make it look as aggressive as it can actually be. Number plate goes right there. Beautiful finish for a car like this, man, dude. Love it. Your reverse camera pops up from the underneath, but nevertheless it does look very, very nice indeed, man, dude. Absolutely amazing. So let's put this down for a while and take a look at the rear boot of the car. I'll show you if you guys can actually see how amazing this is. But carpets, because this is a brand new car still, so carpets are located right here. Pulling down the height of the car, you can do that as well. Seats you can actually fold down if you wish to, but we will not be doing that with this car. Nevertheless, it is a stunning, stunning piece of art. Let's close it down, back again. Amazing layout, check it out, how beautiful it just closes back. Let's plug the charger right back to where it is. Cool. Take a look at the rear on this side. Once again, amazing finish for the back of the car. Electron yellow stitching. Beautiful storage space that we have right here. Air vent adjustments on this side, touch sensitive as well. You got your cup holders, I believe, located on the inner part right here. On this side right there. There we go, cup holders right there. Very cool indeed. So you have your Aston Martin Electron yellow stitching. Finishing is superb, man, dude. Grey seat belts, once again. Love the three linings at the center of both the rear passenger seats. Let's bring this door a little bit forward right here. And let's move to the side. Take a look at the driver side of things. You have your amazing door, once again. Bowers & Wilkins speaker right here at the bottom. Window adjustments here and there. Titanium finish all over the place. Handle to open up to close. Yellow stitching that we have right here. Electron yellow. Interior, love the air vents, the design in such a way. Lighting adjustments, chrome finish with the brake and accelerator pedal, amazing indeed. Seat adjustments on this side, DBX wording right there. Love the electron yellow stitching that's happening all over the place. Love it a lot. Steering wheel is fantastic, super thick and nice to hold. Finishing that is on the steering is absolutely amazing, man, dude. Check it out. Beautiful. Love the center with all the other buttons and settings that you guys can choose. Normally the start button for the previous cars are actually right on top, but in this case it's right down here, so that's amazing also as well. Cup holder once again, wireless charging right down there in the center. Love the titanium finishing that we have right there. Check it out. Goes across from there to here. Amazing, dude. Beautiful. Including at the side right here as well. So beautiful, man, dude. So amazing. So let's now turn on the DRLs to show you guys how amazing the car looks with the lights at the bottom turned on. You get your amazing frameless sort of side mirrors together with how it extends out like that. Beautiful indeed. Let's take a look at this side. Oof. Beautiful finish for a car like this, my dude. Love how it looks. So the DRLs are popped out right here at the bottom. And what about the rear? Since these are smoke tail lights, take a look how the brake lights actually show up, even though it's with smoke tail lights. So the China grey with the smoke tail lights and with some gloss black packaging happening all over the top, the center, the bottom, the middle part of the car is amazing, dude. So now let's turn on the signal lights to show you guys. And with the signal lights turned on, let's also take a look at the side of the mirrors. You have it right there as well. Now you also get it at the bottom right here, where automatically it's been replaced. Take a look, my dude, amazing. So now let's take a look at the rear as well for a car like this. Absolutely gorgeous. Lining that we have right here. Beautiful, fantastic finish, my dude. Whew. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Aston Martin cars, do head down to Aston Martin Kuala Lumpur, where you can look at this car and many more other gorgeous cars that they have right here on display. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.